Bitcoin is right now pumping like crazy, but in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly why you should not be fooled by this Bitcoin pump and why we are really likely to go to the downside again in the next couple of actually hours maybe. So this is happening right now and I'm going to show you guys exactly what is currently happening. Don't go immediately short right now because there is a lot of reasons for why we're currently pumping and why we most likely will dump again, and I will even show you guys my own trade in this exact video. So right now we can see that the CME futures closed right here for Bitcoin at $34,115, and we can see right now that we are pumping like crazy and that we are right now trading at $34,700, which is quite far away from this level. If we look at this chart right here, we can see that we are right now literally creating, if we look at it like this, we are right now creating a 1.7% CME gap, which is quite a lot. And we all know that every time we create CME gap, 9 out of the 10 times we tend to get it filled up the day after its creation, meaning that there is a massive chance that we are simply going to go down from off this level. However, there's also a small chance that this is straight up not going to happen, because if we look at our CME gap from last week, then we can see right here that we are also creating a CME gap last week that's already created, and we still have not filled up this CME gap, which is really interesting, meaning that last week we just simply didn't fill the CME gap and everyone was waiting to enter into a Bitcoin long for the CME gap, just didn't got filled at all. And there is a massive chance is why you don't want to go short immediately, because if you went short right here thinking that we might were to fill up the CME gap, then you would have lost out on a shitload of money and you would have actually be liquidated, because we saw a massive move to the upside after that, of course. However, right now what is currently happening is that we are creating a much bigger CME gap than our last one. So that is one thing. The bigger the CME gap, the more likely it is to fill it up. So yeah, that is why I am right now expecting that we are most likely going to fill up this over the course of next week. And that is also why you can easily trade this setup, guys. So I'm going to show you guys my exact setup in just a few seconds. Before I do that, if you right now go to the first link in the description, you can literally claim a $200 USDT airdrop completely for free. All you literally need to do is right now go to the first link in the description, sign up for a Bible account using my link. You will get to this page. You can simply click on join. You will literally go to this page. Once you click on the first link in the description, click on join, you will be creating an account, and then you need to follow some steps, and then you can literally claim a free 200 USDT airdrop giveaway hosted by Bybit, guys. So yes guys, Bitcoin is right now pumping like crazy and we still have that CME gap laying right here. And that is right now why I'm not really confident about this massive breakout to the upside, because we can right now see that we broke out of the upside, broke out to the upside of this massive pattern right here, and we just continue to pump right here. However, right now the CME gap is laying right around this level, meaning that there is a big chance that we are literally going to retest this massive pattern right here before we go to the upside again. And that is simply why I am right now entering into a small short position. If I show you guys this position right here, then this is my exact position with an entry price right around this level. So I hope I can upload this video just before we get entered, so you guys can all trade with me. However, if we're trading somewhere around this level right here when you see this video and we already got filled, then you can still of course enter, because it means that it's a valid entry. So yes guys, this is right now what I am doing on my own trade, and yeah, there are just a lot of reasons for why I am thinking that we are going to come a little bit down right now, because we have this weekly close in just 6 hours, meaning that we are expecting a lot of volatility, and also a lot of volatility right now to the downside, because there is just a lot of resistance right now just around this level, and that's exactly where my entry is as well. However, if we do decide to not fill up that CME gap we are right now creating, and remember that's only about a 10% chance, then we are immediately going to pump to 37k, which is of course going to be crazy, meaning that once I get stopped out of my position and I have my stop loss just around this level at 35k, I will immediately flip into a long position, because we will most likely do this exact same thing we did in our last week, meaning we will probably see a massive pump to the upside. So yes guys, that is currently what I am expecting for it to happen. And if you guys don't already understand it, I'm right now talking extremely quickly because I want to get this video out on time so you guys can enter with me. So yes guys, this is right now what is happening. A 5 days of straight up no volatility at all in a 5% consolidation range, meaning a big move is about to happen, and I'm still quite confident of course that it is going to be to the upside like I said you guys in my last video, make sure to check it out right here in the corner. I will link it up there because this is a really important video. Make sure to check it out. However, I'm right now first thing we're going to get a slight dip to the downside, fill up that CME cap, and from that level we can of course go to the upside again. So yeah guys, that's exactly what I am doing right now. We are right now creating a massive rounding bottom. However guys, like I said, if we do decide to get the same thing as last week, then that is going to be massive for us over the course of the Monday. So yeah guys, that's all I have for you guys right now. Make sure please consider liking and subscribing to my video. I'm going to try to publish this video as quick as possible. So yes guys, that being said, I hope I will see you in my next YouTube crypto freaking video. Let's go.